Welcome to Quiz Brainz, the channel that tests your brain power with challenging general knowledge quizzes. But before we start, remember, you have 5 seconds to confirm your answer. Don't forget to keep track of your score. 1 point for every correct answer. Today's topic is animals and nature. Get ready to test your knowledge on wildlife and the natural world. Question 1. Which tree can be Dutch, English, or which? The correct answer is A, elm. Question 2. What type of creature is a stingray? The correct answer is A, fish. Question 3. How does a biwa kill? The correct answer is B, poison. Question 4. Which bird can be bald, golden, or harpy? The correct answer is A, eagle. Question 5. How many humps does a Bactrian camel have? The correct answer is B, 2. Question 6. What sort of animal is a dandy dinmont? The correct answer is A, dog. Question 7. What is a mamba? The correct answer is A, snake. Question 8. Would a tuber grow above or below the ground? The correct answer is A, below. Question 9. What is a chameleon famous for being capable of changing? The correct answer is A, color. Question 10. What is a monkey puzzle? The correct answer is C, tree. Question 11. To which hemisphere do penguins belong? The correct answer is A, southern. Question 12. Which creature constructs dams and lodges? The correct answer is C, beaver. Question 13. What is a female fox called? The correct answer is C, vixen. Question 14. What does a rattlesnake rattle when it is disturbed? The correct answer is A, tail. Question 15. What is the larva of a butterfly or moth called? The correct answer is A, caterpillar. Question 16. Which country were Newfoundland dogs originally from? The correct answer is A, Canada. Question 17. The moose or elk are species of which creature? The correct answer is B, deer. Question 18. What sort of plant is a common puffball? The correct answer is A, fungus. Question 19. On which continent is the opossum found in its natural habitat? The correct answer is C, America. Question 20. Which American creature is renowned for its foul-smelling defense mechanism? The correct answer is C, skunk. Question 21. What can be great white, tiger, or whale? The correct answer is A, shark. Question 22. What color is a West Highland Terrier? The correct answer is A, white. Question 23. Bile is a secretion of which organ of the body? The correct answer is B, liver. Question 24. What color are the bracts of a poinsettia? The correct answer is A, red. Question 25. What is snake poison called? The correct answer is B, venom. Question 26. A shoal is a group of what type of creatures? The correct answer is B, fish. Question 27. How many sets of teeth do most mammals have? The correct answer is A, 2. Question 28. Which is larger, the wallaby or the kangaroo? The correct answer is A, kangaroo. Question 29. Does a skipjack jump, skip, or swim? The correct answer is C, swim. Question 30. Where are emus found in their natural habitat? The correct answer is A, Australia. Thanks for joining our quiz on animals and nature. We hope you enjoyed exploring the natural world with us. Don't forget to share your score and come back for more quizzes.